So hey guys, good morning. How am I holding this camera anyhow?
All these brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. Why they wanna move like that? Where you want gone? Why you want act like that?
So good morning. Today is Saturday 17th, I guess. Yes. And don't mind my face. My face is looking white. I just quickly wash my face now. I just woke up not too long and this is 10 o'clock sharp. And today I plan on going to the beach. So I'm going to be vlogging. I'm going to take you guys along with me. So I wanted to introduce the vlog. So it's going to be a day in my life vlog. I'm going to be going to the beach and I want guys to see how the beach looks like in my area, or maybe I've not gone to the beach before and all those stuff. So I'm going to do everything beach prep. Not too much at all. I'm just going to get some things that I'm going to take and just get ready and stuff. So now I'm going to get some fruits and I'm going to go to the supermarket to get some things. There's nothing much, like I said, just to go and chill for some hours because I need a break. But I've just been inside throughout this ASU strike and stuff, and I feel like, okay, let me go out and chill a little and see the nature and enjoy the weather and look at the water and just lie down on the sand. So if you're into my channel and just seeing this face for the first time, don't forget to like by hitting on the subscribe button, click on the comment button, notify you every time I drop a new video. And yeah, so guys, I'm kind of ready. I look like someone that's homeless, but it's allowed. Don't worry, it's allowed. My color combo is bad, but I don't care. Nobody looking at me, that's business. I'm not trying to impress anybody. I just want to go out, get some things, and get back to my house. Okay? Now let's go. I'm going to take my mic, so you'll be here with the. I'm going to take my mic, so you'll be here with the sound and other things, but. I'll see you on the road. So guys, I don't know where we're going. My sister is going with me. David, my brother is driving. Wait first. What are you gonna do? Say hello. I'm vlogging.
Hello guys. Wait.
Fruits. Do fruit salad. We got here now and the place we wanted to buy it, they don't have. I just seen that thing here. I don't understand. So we're going to the supermarket now, not far from where we wanted to buy this thing. That's where we're going. I've seen watermelon.
Yeah, I don't forget they're selling this place.
I've seen
How you sell them? How much is the euro?
270.
Eh?
1,000 price for us. Why the cup price for us?
No, what I'm going to do is this light one. No, let me say the cup price.
How much is this one last?
This one last. Last is 1.5.
Eh?
This one last is 1.5. This one last.
1,000.
This one 1,000.
This one 1,000. You won't buy 1,000. Thank you. So guys, I'm ready. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing later. We're going now. Take you guys. They're rushing me already. I'll take you guys on the journey, and when we get there, I'll enjoy the vlog. If you're here to like, give it a big thumbs up already. And we go. I'm looking okay.
Snap it is 500.
To ride, voila. Oh, see the water. See the water. Wow, I'm loving this purpose. This area is just fitting me like. The aura is different, bro. So the water, man.
You will be scaring me from here.
How will it be scary?
What's that with Anna?
You guys, water has taken my slippers, so my slippers away.
Bye. Thank you for this. Yes, I did see one. Bring that bag and put the 2 pots inside.
Guys, I see here. Take a look at the water. I've still not seen my slippers, you guys. And this slippers is a new slippers. A new slip. Ah! What is so much, oh Jesus? Ah! It was too much, oh. Hi. Wait, the way they vex. I said. The way, see. What are you building? Hello. You come please, guys.
Smiley face.
So guys, we are leaving already. And I'm leaving with 1 leg of slippers. This is my slippers, I just bought it. It's not 1 week. But it's fine. I will just behave like I'm fine. But my slippers is paining me. Where we're going. Yeah. So guys, I've come to the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm at my mom's shop and the vlog is over. If you like the video, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, do all the good stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. You know, tell a friend, subscribe to my channel, comment down below how you feel about the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you, take care, peace out.
If you ain't a body, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my